In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start protecting and speeding up your WordPress site using Cloudflare's simple onboarding flow. First, open your Cloudflare account. If you're new to Cloudflare, their homepage makes it easy to get started, and creating an account is quick and free. If you already have one, just sign in and you'll land on the dashboard. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look for the Add button. This is typically at the top right and is your starting point for bringing a new site into Cloudflare. Click Add to begin. Cloudflare will present a few options. You want the one labeled Connect to Domain. Click that and you'll move into a short setup flow designed to link your site to Cloudflare's network. Next, enter your WordPress domain. Type your primary domain, like example.com, without HTTP, HTTPS, or extra paths. Be careful with spelling here. Accuracy matters. If your site is accessible at both the root domain and the www version, entering the root domain is the standard approach to cover both. Take a moment to double check before moving on. Now click Continue. You'll be asked to choose a plan. If you're just starting, select the free plan. It's a solid choice for most personal sites, blogs, and small businesses. The free plan includes global content delivery, basic security protections, and performance optimizations that can make your WordPress site feel faster for visitors around the world. You can always upgrade later if you need advanced features. After confirming your choice, Cloudflare may show a brief summary and guide you through any on-screen prompts relevant to your setup. Follow what you see there. The interface is designed to be clear, and it won't ask you for anything complicated at this stage. If you ever feel unsure, remember that the free plan is safe to try and you can revisit settings anytime from your dashboard. That's the core process. Open your Cloudflare account, click Add, choose Connect to Domain, enter your WordPress domain carefully, click Continue, and pick the free plan if you're just getting started. Keep your dashboard handy, give things a moment to settle if needed, and you'll be well on your way to better performance and protection for your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, stay tuned for more clear step-by-step guides to keep your website fast, secure, and easy to manage.